Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix PlayHT login problems, subscription and voice errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with PlayHT, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First, ensure that you are using the correct email address and password combination. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Check your email for the password reset link and follow the instructions provided. Once you've reset your password, return to the login page and enter your new credentials. If you're still unable to log in, clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing your cache, restart your browser and attempt to log in again. If the issue persists, try using a different web browser to see if it's a browser-specific problem. Make sure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. If you're connected through a VPN, consider disconnecting from it as it may interfere with the login process. If your login issues are related to subscription errors, verify that your subscription is active. Log into your account and navigate to your subscription settings to check the status. If your subscription has expired, renew it to regain access to all features. In case you encounter any voice-related errors, first check if you have correctly selected the desired voice in your settings. If the voice is not playing as expected, try reloading the page after selecting the voice. If audio issues continue, test your device's audio settings to ensure they're functioning correctly. You can also check for updates to your browser or app, as outdated software may lead to errors. If none of these steps resolve your problems, reach out to PlayHT support for further assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible to help them diagnose the issue efficiently. Following these steps should help you fix most login and voice issues with PlayHT. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.